Hello, little learners! It's the teaching ant. Let's learn and have fun. Hello, little learners! Welcome back. Today we're going to learn about weather. Can you say weather? Great job! What is weather? Weather is what happens outside every day. Sometimes it's hot. Sometimes it's cold. Sometimes it rains. Sometimes the wind blows. Let's learn 6 kinds of weather. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is sunny. Can you say sunny? The sun shines brightly. It feels warm outside. What can we wear on a sunny day? A hat. Sunglasses. Don't forget sunscreen and water. Let's pretend to be the bright sun. Stretch your arms wide. Shine, shine, shine. What else can you wear on a sunny day? Pick the correct answers. Which ones did you choose? That's right. The correct answers are A, C, D, and E. Great job! Let's continue to the next one. Now look up. What do you see? Clouds! This is called cloudy. Can you say cloudy? The sky is covered with clouds. Sometimes the sun hides behind them. Can you make a fluffy cloud? Float slowly. Ooh. Great job! Now answer this question. True or false? A cloudy day means the sky is covered with clouds. True. Great job! Let's continue to the next one. Listen carefully. Drip, drop, drip, drop. What's happening? It's raining. This weather is called rainy. Can you say rainy? When it's rainy, we use an umbrella. We can also wear rain boots. Let's pretend to jump in puddles. Splash, splash! So much fun! What do you wear on a rainy day? Pick the correct answers. The correct answers are B, C, and E. Great job! Let's continue to the next one. Get these free weather worksheets for preschool at www.theteachingant.com. Whoosh! Can you hear that? The wind is blowing. This weather is windy. Can you say windy? The wind moves the trees. It can fly a kite. Let's pretend we're trees. Move left. Move right. Whoosh! Wonderful! What can the wind blow? That's right! The correct answers are A, C, D, and F. Great job! Let's continue to the next one. Boom! Crash! Flash! This weather is stormy. Can you say stormy? Stormy weather has lightning, thunder, strong wind, heavy rain. When it's stormy, stay inside and stay safe. Very good! Question: what should you do on a stormy day? Pick the correct answers. The correct answers are D, E, and F. During a storm, it's safest to stay indoors, stay away from windows, and listen to a trusted adult. Great job! You know how to stay safe during a storm. Brrr! It's cold! Snow is falling. This weather is snowy. Can you say snowy? Snow is soft and white. People can build a snowman or throw snowballs. Let's pretend we're catching snowflakes. Reach up, catch. Great job! Question: what can you wear on a snowy day? Pick the correct answers. That's right! The correct answers are B, D, E, and F. A warm winter coat keeps your body warm. Gloves or mittens keep your hands warm. A scarf helps keep your neck warm. Great job! You're ready for a snowy day! It's quiz time! Are you ready to play? I'll show the weather. You say its name. Windy. Keep going. Here's the next one. Cloudy. Keep going. Here's the next one. Sunny. You're doing great. Stormy. Keep going. Here's the next one. Snowy. One more to go. You can do this. rainy. Great job! You deserve this all-weather champion trophy. See you again in our next Smart Quiz. Bye!